Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Corex here again. Guys, I've not been updating you guys, and it has really been affecting me in my trading these days. So, I've been taking a lot of mistakes, a lot of how am I going to put it? I've been taking a lot of mistakes, doing a lot of things against my trading plan, and it has really been affecting me so much. So, the last time I posted video here, the last time I posted video here on YouTube, I was showing you guys the balance of my account as at 10. It was about, I don't remember what we have, but it's still on 1000. That is the drawdown is still 1000. Right here, actually, we have $4,664, which means our drawdown is $164. And as at last week, we pushed the account back to 1700, and this week was very tough. This week I've been taking some unnecessary trades, buying and selling at the same time. I won't hide any of my mistake because my mistake are the ones I learned from. So as at yesterday, this was what really happened yesterday. Yesterday we are supposed to be selling, right? And we had this consolidation. Yesterday, but the market consolidated from here to here. Then it manipulates. The market manipulates right there, as you can see. The market manipulates, then distributes. That yesterday. But I don't see all this when I was in the market, when I was around this side. I was around this side trying to buy and sell, buying and selling yesterday with a lot of mistakes. I was making serious mistakes yesterday. We had a trade around here. Let me turn on my trade history. Okay, I think I should edit the content of this so that you guys can see the trade history. Okay, better. So as you can see, if I zoom in more, you guys will see my trade history for yesterday. Oh, sorry, this is EURUSD. It's supposed to be GU. It was GU, not EURUSD. I didn't take any trade on EURUSD yesterday. So it's GU. Yeah, here we are. GU. Let me delete this. Right here, yesterday, we had a consolidation right here yesterday. From the last day to the other day. I think GU did not manipulate that yesterday. That was my confusion. But it did manipulate on EURUSD. I didn't see that. The GU manipulate, it did not manipulate. It just equaled the high right there. And I had to close the trade because of that equal high yesterday. As you can all see here, yesterday, I had my trade there yesterday. I had the trade here yesterday. You can see it here. We had the trade from here to here. That was, I set my stop loss. I had to close the trade here yesterday. That was my first trade, and the market didn't even reach where I placed my stop loss because I placed my stop loss above this high. And even I had left it, didn't close because of the market was coming up against me. There is one problem that I did add yesterday, was that I set up a trade and I immediately closed them when they are about to touch my stop loss, which was something something that was against my rules, my trading plan, which I'll go through very soon. I had this trade from here yesterday, then the market went up, then I closed it by myself, not stop loss. I closed the market from here to here yesterday, and that one was about how much lost. I had about $3.70 something lost from this point. And also I had a sell. This was a sell, right? This one was a sell. Then I go ahead and have a buy on this candle here, right here. Still had a buy. The market went to my entry, then I closed with small profit. Going on, I saw this break of structure below this low, this 15-minute time frame, because I really used the 15 minutes time frame. I saw this break of structure below this low right here. Then the market broke structure. I set up a limit order right here. Then the market went into the limit order, almost take me out, almost, because my stop loss was above here. The market almost took me out, then came down back. Then I closed on this candle when the market entered my profit, because I was feeling like the market is still going back to go and take out all this liquidity above here, because the market was gathering up 1, 2, 3 touch, Then I was hoping like, okay, the market will see go back up. Then I had to close it around here because my entry was around here. Then we have a small profit again. I think it was 12 cents. Yeah. So not knowing that the market is still going to sell. Market broke structure below low, selling, pullback. The market pullback, consolidation, break structure below low, then still pullback. I was not seeing all this. At this point, I had it buy here. I set up my stop loss below that low. Then the market came down, took me out. Then I'm done for the day because I lose too much than my 5%. I lose more than my 5%, which state that I was not following my rules. Then as you can all see, market break structure, pullback, kept on breaking structure, and there the market was very strong. Volatility entered, and the market kept on breaking structure downward. As you can see here, market kept on breaking structure downward. That yesterday. So this morning now, this is around this is to 6. Yeah, this to 6. My tap time is not good. This 7 minutes 3 minutes to 6. Right. So 2 minutes short. So as you can see here, if I'm to take any trade, I should have even continue selling with them this morning. But I don't want to do anything, like I don't want to take any mistake this morning. I want to start my trade at a key time, which is either the London or the New York session. But I prefer the New York session. At the same time, I would prefer going on the London too, because starting from the London tends to keep you on the trend. And the market is still really going well. As you can see, market is still selling. So right now our account is on a drawdown. We're still on a drawdown. We haven't even reached anywhere. We've not grown our account. This is Blueberry funded account, like because of the task for limited days. That's why I'm able to do this every time. Like this account, I literally bought this account last year October, and I'm still here struggling to pass this account, guys. There's really some things that I've been affected by. Number one, this Profim account like this now. I was at work when I bought it, but now I am not at work. I'm supposed to be moving forward. But that's now trading is time. It takes time. It takes consistency. It takes discipline. It takes a lot of things from you. You have to focus, and I think my risk management was I go against my risk management yesterday. Number one. Number two, I didn't follow the trend. Number three, um I was too anxious right trading, over trading at the same time. So yesterday was very annoying. I was not myself, taking too much of trade and doing a lot of things yesterday. So now I want to take us down to my trading plan, which I'll be following next week. So like this, guys, this is my trading plan. Sorry. So guys, right here I've started using Notion to draft out my things. I'm still learning how to use it, so I'm very good at using Notion. So I've started using Notion to draft out my trading plan and everything, how my trade is going to go and everything. So here is my trading plan. My trading plan is one of the sweetest, but is me following the only thing there is that I need to follow my trading plan. And following my trading plan, there will be lots that will be going on. Number one is I will have to go through a lot of discipline. I will have to focus on the trading plan every single day. Focusing and consistently doing this will help me grow this Profim account and the little accounts that I'll be getting in the future, maybe probably anytime. So the first thing on my trading plan is I am trading synthetic indices and currency pair. I'm supposed to be adding to it the special ones that I'm trading, but I won't be doing that because this month I'm planning on trading only UUSD and GBP which I've been doing since the beginning of this month. So next month there's high probability I'm going to change pair because I'll be looking towards the weekly and the monthly time frame. I'm looking towards the target for the month. Then I'll be looking at different pairs for their targets for the month, and I will be choosing two pairs out of the pairs I'm going to pick out and taking their monthly time frame. I'll be picking two pairs and I'll be trading those two pairs for 1 month until the month ends. So that is that for that. So back to our trading plan. Trading plan, I'm only trading synthetic indices, that is deriv and currency pair. So basically this month I've been trading only USD and JPUSD. So now number two, I'll be using the weekly time frame, daily time frame, and for daily 4 hour and 1 hour time frame for my trend. Okay, let me just see, those are the time frame I'll be using to trade. So I just use 15 minutes to search for my trades. I use 15 minutes. Sorry for that. So the main strategy I'll be using is just support and resistance. I'll be taking you guys through everything I'll be seeing in the market. So risk management, I'll be risking just 5% of the current price in my account. That is the current balance. I'm supposed to put current balance. The current balance I'm having in my account, like today now we're having $4,664 in the account, and the drawdown is going to be 1,640 $164. Yes, $164. And that $164, I'll have to divide it by 5%, then I'll know the amount I'm going to risk. Normally I've already know the amount I'm supposed to risk today, which is $8. Okay, trading. Okay, I'll only be trading 2 to 3 times in a week. This one entirely, I already made the mistake for this one this week, because I've traded almost all the OD in this week. I traded on Monday, I traded on Tuesday, I traded on Wednesday, I traded on Thursday, which is yesterday, and today again. Today is Friday. So today, Friday, I don't think I'll be taking any other trade again. So we are done for the trade for the week. So we're gonna be starting next week, and next week, I believe I'm going to hit it hard next week, because I don't want to lose. Trading, there are losing streaks in trading, so it depends on how you take it. So let's go back to the trading and the trading my trade plans. Okay, so we're number 5. Number 6, set and forget. This really affected me this week. I think this week I've been trading without setting and forgetting my trades. For example, yesterday trade that I took, that I show you guys, I didn't even set and forget the trade. Those trade yesterday, I would have been on serious profit of about $9 this morning. $90 this morning. But I end up losing $15 yesterday with the whole thing. So no set and forget, no trade. So as long as I've clicked on the sell button or the buy button, I leave it till the trade hits my stop loss or go down to my TP. So the idea of, okay, the market is coming to my stop loss, let's close, is no more there. I don't want that idea anymore. I want the full idea of me saying, okay, this trade, we are going to execute a trade now, and executing this trade, we are not going to close it until it takes my profit or takes my stop loss, period. So now, that's set and forget rules. That is it. Trading, either trade it. Okay, the word states there that trade either takes profit or stop loss. Yes, my trade must either take one of the two, and this time around I'm really strict with it, and that's why I'm bringing it down to you guys, so that I can be more strict with it, so that I can be more serious with it, because trading is very broad, and it's not easy to stay on the rules if I'm alone. So I believe I can stay on the rules if I'm with you guys, if I'm sharing these things with you guys. And this week, last week, I haven't shared anything, so it has been a tough one, which I was actually doing it my own way, because had it been I was sharing with you guys here on my YouTube and my TikTok, I would have been like, okay, people are there, they are going to be watching, so let's do this, let's focus. That's the main reason why I'm doing it now. So now, the last one there, that is number 7. take profits depends on what I see in the market. Yes, take profits depends on what I see in the market, in the sense that, like yesterday now, I saw that the market is going to go sell. I'd even have sold, or I had hold on. I'd even have hold on yesterday. I would have made enough money yesterday till this morning. The only thing I'll be waiting for is a break of structure on the around 15 minutes before I can say, okay, the market is no more heading down, it's now heading up back or something. But that is done already, it's gone. So we're going to be looking towards next week. And next week, we're going to be strict with all this that we've stated. And if you have any other thing that you want me to add to my trading plan, then you can actually put it on the comment section for me to see. Then I will check on it. If it's good for me, if I'm okay about it, I'll add it to my trading plan, and I'll also let you guys know about it. So going down to my trading journal. So as a trader, after trading, or I think, yeah, after trading, there are questions you have to ask yourself. I think my network is a little bit bad this morning. So there are questions you have to ask yourself after trading as a trader. There are serious questions you have to ask yourself. The first question is, this is my trading journal, so I can just put the date right here, the date of the trade right there. So that is not the major reason why we're here. The first question is this journaling question. Journaling question. The first question is, did my trade take touch TP or SL? Which means I'm going to take it out if my trade hits TP, or I'll take it out if my trade hits stop loss. So the first question. And the second one is, did I follow my strategy? Did I follow my strategy? The second question. That question is very, very important. I mean. So if I click on yes, it's good, no problem, I followed my strategy. But if I click on no, if no, give reason. So I'll just give my reason here. The reason why I did not follow my trading plan. Just give my reason right there. So okay, what did I do before entering trade? So that's a question that I can be asking myself right there. Like, what did I do? What was I doing before I entered my trade? Like, was I sitting down? Did I analyze the trade? Did I know what the market was intending to do? Was I scared or something like that? Okay, what, like, the major thing I was doing, I can just put it down there, list. I'll write it on the list. The second, that is on number 4. Then, how was I feeling before entering my entering trade? Like, how was I feeling? Was I feeling nervous before I take a trade? Was I feeling cool? Was I feeling dizzy? Anyhow, just put the answer there. Then that's what I'm gonna be doing next week. So the next question is, what was I doing after entering the trade? Yes, very important question. Sometimes if you enter trade, you'll be feeling like, oh, the trade is not correct. The market, I did not enter it. Maybe the trade was going to hit me out. Let me close. How was I feeling? Was I feeling nervous, or sort of question? What was I doing after entering the trade? All these questions, they are questions that I need to be asking myself personally after I finish trading, because it will make me notice what I've done wrong and what I'm doing right. Like, it will make me to notice what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. So the next one is number 6. Did I move my stop loss or TP? That is a big question. Did I move my stop loss or TP? That one, I won't put a reason there, because there is no reason. If I shift my stop loss or TP, that is, the only thing I can just shift is my TP. Stop loss is not meant to be shifted. Your stop loss is your stop loss. That is what you are capable of risking. That's what I was capable of risking. That's why I entered the trade. I should have calculated it. Maybe I've calculated it before I enter my trade. Same thing. So the next question, number 7. Did I close my trade too early? All these questions I'm asking, they are type of questions that what really happened yesterday. Had it been had this before, had it been have written this before, had it been have taken of this before, I would have been very serious yesterday. I would have executed a good trade yesterday, and I would have make a good money. I didn't even have followed this. I would have closed that trade I had yesterday and start chasing other things. So, did I close my trade too early yesterday? Yes, I did close my trade too early yesterday. This is not the question of yesterday. This is the question of next week. We're going to be using this trading journal to journal our trades to know how we have done so far in the last few days we have been trading. So what else again? Did I close my trade too early? And I know that's number 8 and number 9, the last one. Number 8, the last one. Number 8, did I revenge trade? I don't know. I feel cool reading all this to you guys and letting you guys know how bad I felt yesterday losing to the trade I'm supposed to be winning. And actually, I was supposed to even revenge. I actually revenge trade yesterday, and I was like, I want to get my money back. That was what ended me up losing $15 yesterday, which my risk management by the 5% I'm supposed to risk yesterday was about supposed to be $8. Yeah, I think $8. Yeah, $8. And I ended up losing $15 yesterday. No, I think it was $9. Yeah, I ended up losing $15. I think that should be $6 added to my top loss yesterday. So now, trading screenshots. So with everything, I'll take the screenshot of the trade I had that day with my trading. I'll take the screenshot and add it down here. By the way, guys, so if you guys want something like this, you want this trade journal, I can actually send it to you guys. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is request for it on the comment section, then I'll send you the link of how to copy it to your own trading journal, or how to have it to yourself, so that you can follow it. These are the things I'll be doing for this meantime. We still have 2 weeks left for this month to end, so we are going to be going and working on ourselves. So I'm going to be working on myself and focusing on all this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please, many people are watching this video, they are not subscribing. Please, this is a channel where I'm trying to build up myself, build up my career, trying to show you guys how important, how good trade is, how you can make millions while trading. And I'm just starting this journey. So this journey is going to still take a long time. So for you to be updated, for you to know that this thing is real, it can help you, you have to subscribe to this channel, follow me up, so that we can be working together. Please don't forget to subscribe, please, I beg you in the name of God. This is a better channel that will really help you. So if you are interested in this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. And we still continue. We have a Profem account. So this is a Profem account that I'm planning to trade and pass to make substantial money for myself. You can see we're still working on it, and I believe we are going to get there. Thank you. Correct. Bye.